Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Kumar from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore, class 3rd SEM. Our team members are Shreyansh Chaubey, Radhemohan Biswal, Sritam Costa, who is handling in this many project. Our topic is simple encryption description for OS level permission linked list. Introduction to OS level permission. Operating system manage access rights through permission lists. These permissions are crucial for maintaining system security and user privacy. Understanding how these permissions can be encrypted is essential for protecting sensitive data. What is linked list? Linked list is the data structure consisting of nodes that contain data and pointers. In the context of permissions, each node can represent a specific user or group. Linked lists provide dynamic memory allocation, making them efficient for managing permissions. Doubly linked list. Node 1 had Node 2, Node 3, Node 4. A doubly linked list is like a singly linked list, only it has previous pointer, making some operation on data structure more efficient. The last element tail will have the next property pointing at null. Importance of encryption. Encryption protects sensitive information from unauthorized access. In OS level permission system, encryption can secure user access rights. This ensures that even if data is encrypted, it remains unreadable to unauthorized users. Simple encryption techniques. Common techniques include XOR, scissor, cipher, and substitution ciphers. These methods can be easily implemented for permission strings in linked list. Simplicity allows for quick encryption and description without significant performance overhead. Implementing encryption in linked list. Each node's permission data can be encrypted before being stored. A simple function can be created to apply the chosen encryption techniques. Encryption can be performed when permission need to be accessed or modified. Encryption, plain text encryption, encrypted text, description, plain text. Hashing, used to validate information. Encryption, used to protect sensitive information. Plain text, hash function, hashed text. Example of XOR encryption. XOR encryption involves flipping bits based on a key, making it reversible. For instance, if the permission string is RWX and the key is key, the result is altered bits. This method is fast and can be applied directly within the linked list structure. An example of data encryption, plain text encryption key, ciphertext. Description process. Description simply involves applying the encryption algorithm again with the same key. This makes XOR encryption particularly efficient for repeated access. Ensuring the key remains secure is vital to the description process. Challenge and considerations. One challenge is managing encryption keys securely across the system. Performance can be impacted if encryption is applied to large permission sets frequently, ensuring compatibility and existing systems is also critical consideration. Challenge and opportunities. Title here, title here. Application of encrypted permission lists. Encrypted permission lists can be beneficial in sensitive environments such as government or financial systems. They can also enhance security in multi-user systems where access rights are frequently modified. Implementing such systems can help in compliance with data protection regulations. Conclusion. Simple encryption techniques can effectively enhance the security of OS level permission lists. By using linked lists, those permissions can be dynamically managed and secured. Futures work could focus on optimizing encryption algorithms for performance and security. Symmetric encryption. Secret key, same key, secret key. Plain text, ciphertext, plain text. Encryption, description. Differences. Sterling W2017 cryptography and network security principles and practice persons persons. Not the 1997 The Art of Computer Programming Volume 1 Fundamental Algorithm Addition Vipassla Tannenbaum AS 2015 Modern Operating System Pearsons. Thank you.